As an AI language model, I am not capable of generating videos directly. However, I can help you generate a script for a video that you can then use to create an AI-generated video using tools like OpenAI's DALL-E or GPT-3-based video creation platforms like Lumen 5 or Viant. Here is an example script for an AI-generated video about the benefits of a healthy lifestyle. Title: The Benefits of a Healthy Lifestyle. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, many of us struggle to maintain a healthy lifestyle. However, making small changes to our daily routine can have a big impact on our overall health and well-being. In this video, we will explore the benefits of a healthy lifestyle and how you can achieve it. Section 1: Physical Health. A healthy lifestyle includes regular exercise and a balanced diet. Regular exercise helps to improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and cancer, and promote overall well-being. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps to fuel our bodies with the nutrients they need to function optimally. Section 2: Mental Health. A healthy lifestyle also includes taking care of our mental health. Practicing self-care, mindfulness, and stress management techniques like meditation and yoga can help reduce stress, improve mood, and promote mental clarity and focus. Section 3: Social Health. Finally, a healthy lifestyle also includes fostering strong social connections and relationships. Spending time with loved ones, engaging in social activities, and volunteering can all contribute to our sense of happiness and well-being.